All right, what's going on, fifth grade? I hope you had a great Mother's Day with your mom. Make sure you wish them all happy Mother's Day for me. Before we get started, here's one little extra credit that you can add to the test. If you can email me my mother's name, her name was Mary Fritz. So if you email me the name Mary Fritz, you will get extra credit towards something before the end of the year. Mary Fritz, email that to me. All right, so we're looking at converting customary units of length. Okay, so we're looking at the customary system. The customary system is the system that's most often used here in the United States. And so we have our conversions that we're going to look at for length here on the board. 1 foot equals 12 inches, 1 yard equals 3 feet, or 36 inches, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet, or 1,060 miles. Now these guys on the left, the ones on the left are the bigger unit compared to the one on the right. Okay, so foot is a bigger unit than inch. Yard is a bigger unit than feet, and also yard is a bigger unit than inch. Mile is a bigger unit than foot and yard. So when we convert measurements in the customary system of length, you change from one unit to another. Okay, we might be changing foot to inches or inches to foot, depending on how we're looking at it. So if we want to convert from a larger to a smaller unit, so remember this side is the larger unit, larger to smaller unit, we're going to multiply. Okay, so if we were going to go from feet to inches, we would multiply by this number here, the 12. Okay, if we were going from yards to feet, we would multiply by 3. Okay, if we're going from yards to inches, we'd multiply by 36. Okay, so we're always using these numbers here to either multiply or divide. Okay, so remember, bigger unit to smaller unit, I multiply. Okay, if I go from smaller units, so from this side to over here, I'm going to divide. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys use your calculators today for the multiplication and division part. Okay, but if we go bigger to smaller, we multiply. Smaller to bigger, we divide. And we'll do some examples.